Sparkle fans! Welcome to another episode of Sparkle Twist Toy Time, and today we have these super cute little barrels with exploding kittens. And they're from series 1. They look super cute. They're from Mashems Blastems. So all you do is you pop the lid off, hit this little button, and it grows and explodes. There are 6 in the series to collect right now. They look super funny. I'm really hoping I get this white kitten that vomits rainbows. It looks so funny. And this one, maybe it's radioactive. Super cool looking too. So it looks really fun and cute to do. So let's go ahead and bust this open. Oh, there it is. All right, get this off. There we go. All right, so we just take off. Oh, there it is. Look at cute little kitten. Exploding kittens. That's it. So we just take this off. Ooh, what fell out? Here we go. So let's see. It looks like we got a cute little card. Beard cat. Oh my gosh. So his beard has a cat in it. It says this is a cat card and is powerless on its own. Play 2 beard cats as a pair to steal a rainbow card from another player. So Exploding Kittens is based off of a board game that looks pretty darn fun. So this is a cool little card. All right, let's just set this over here. All right, so we're just supposed to pop the top. Oh no! What's wrong? I'm so sad. What am I doing wrong? No! It's not going. Alright, let's try another one. Maybe this one's defective? I don't know. Well, that really is a stinker. Alright, let's try one more. Let's see what happens. Maybe that one's a late bloomer. Alright, they all have the same little front. Alright, so let's pop the top. Ooh, here you go, hairy potato cat. How cute is that? I like the hairy potato cat. There you go. Super cute. Alright, let's see if this one works. Oh my gosh. Alright, I think that one worked. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. So we did get the vomiting rainbow cat, and it's got a little TNT bottle here. So that's pretty cool. I like this a lot. It's super cute. It's squishy. So squishy. Boop. Boop. So this one's adorable. Not sure what's going on with this one. Let's try it again. I don't know. I think we got a defective one. Oh, I'm so sad about that. But I do like the fact that I got that rainbow vomit one. Oh my gosh. If you're gonna vomit, at least vomit rainbows. Alright, maybe I get that radioactive looking cat here in this one. Ooh, oh, we got another hairy potato kitten here. Oh, maybe this one is another rainbow cat. All right, hopefully this won't terrify me as much. Oh, it's okay too. There you go. Ah! It's a taco cat. Oh, it's on TNT also. How cute is that? It's so happy. It's got its little taco feeling there. Hi. Meow, meow. I like these. They're so cute and squishy. It's pretty cool. Awesome. I like the taco center. Taco, taco. Oh no. You're rolling away. All right. Here is our third one. Here we go. All right, let's see. Oh, there's the top. All right. Oh, we got, double feature. Oh, we got 2 in 1. Beard cat. I like that beard cat. That was super cute. All right, here we go. Nothing. Ah! It's not growing. What? That's horrible. We've had 2 defectives. Ain't that a stinker? All right, here we go. Let's see what we get in this one. Ooh, is it a different card? Taco cat! It's saying, I am a palindrome. Nice. All right, here we go. Grow! I hear something. I think it's gonna go. Oh, I see it in there. Pop. Ah! Come on, commit to it. I got that nuclear waste looking one. Oh, I like its surprise face, like, ooh, ooh. That's so cool. I like it. I like its little ears. They're adorable. Oh. So this is a pretty cool one. That might be my favorite so far. All right, so here is our last one. I hear something. Maybe one of the other ones is trying to grow. I don't know. All right. So here we go. Ooh, what do we get? Rainbow Ralphing Cat. So we got Rainbow Ralphing Cat. That's a great name. All right, so here we go. Come on. Nothing. Oh my gosh. I broke the lid off. Oh, not sure if that was, oh, this guy looks very sadly debilitated. Oh, he would have been like a monster one. My bad, mister. Can I make you still grow? So sorry for the short lifespan. All right, so there's a monster one right there. He didn't get to grow for us. He's got a crazy looking like rib cage there. Googly eyes going on. A little tuft of hair. Don't know what that's supposed to be. So cute little ears. Maybe we could still open these since they won't go. Ah! All right, well that's it. We got 3 that worked and 3 didn't. That really isn't, that's a real stinker. Bummer, but the 3 that did work are super cute. I like this one the best. Oh, meow, meow. All right, well I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I like the ones that did open up because they were cute to see open up. All right, well, sparkle later, y'all. And remember to like and subscribe. Bye.